Delta 53, wind 070 degrees 9 knots, runway 16, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 16, Delta 53.
Delta 53, just to confirm, you're aware your gear is still out.
Delta 53, looks like we have a malfunction. Stand by.
Roger. Delta 53, if it's okay for you, I would send you over to departure, and we see from the tower that the nose wheel is in, but the main landing gear, both of them are still out.
Yeah, Delta 53, we're going to need to come back and land.
That's okay. Are you fine to do a frequency change to departure?
Affirmative.
Roger, Delta 53, contact Zurich departure 125.955.
125.955, Delta 53, good day. Departure, Delta 53.
Delta 53, departure, hello, climb to 6,000 feet, you're identified.
Delta 53, we'd like to declare an emergency. It looks like our landing gear has malfunction. We need to come back and land.
Delta 53, roger, that's copied. Please climb to 6,000 feet and Mayday is copied.
Okay, 6,000, and what heading do you want for Delta 53?
Delta 53, make it heading 360.
Heading 360, Delta 53.
Delta 53, the shortest I can offer you is 35 track miles. Is this fine for you or do you need more?
I think we'll need extended vectors for Delta 53.
Roger, then continue heading 360 and report when you're ready for the approach. It will be ILS approach on runway 14.
Okay, heading 360, we're planning on the ILS 14. We'll call you back, Delta 53, thank you.
Roger, and Delta 53, just for information, runway 16 is also available for you. If you need it, it's a bit longer than runway 14.
No, I think 14 will be fine, but thank you.
Roger. Please, this one. Delta 53.
Delta 53, go ahead.
Just for information, the tower reported before you had the nose wheel in and the main gear you had out.
Delta 53, that's affirmative. That's what we showed here as well.
Roger. So Delta 53, contact my colleague on 135.230.
135.230, Delta 53, thank you. It's our Delta 53 emergency aircraft, 6,000 feet, currently at a speed of 200 knots, heading 360.
Delta 53, arrival, hello, climb, flight level 70.
My flight level 70, Delta 53.
And Delta 53, I guess you need a minute to brief. Would you like to do that at the current position with some holding, or you would like to have an established holding pattern like Amiki?
For Delta 53, standby. For Delta 53, we are almost done with our procedures. Is it okay if we continue getting vectors?
Delta 53, sure, that's fine. I'll call you then for a right turn in a minute towards the south.
Delta 53, roger, thank you.
Delta 53, turn now right heading 180.
Right, 180, Delta 53.
And Delta 53?
Delta 53, go ahead.
Delta 53, to confirm, you still prefer ILS runway 14?
Affirmative.
Roger. And Delta 53, confirm you're now ready for the approach?
Delta 53, affirmative.
Roger, call you. Delta 53, turn right heading 245.
Right, 245, Delta 53.
Delta 53, maintain speed 200 knots.
Speed 200, Delta 53.
And Delta 53?
Delta 53, go ahead.
Delta 53, what kind of support do you expect from us on the ground?
Delta 53, no assistance required at this time.
Roger. So Delta 53, for our confirmation, the gear is no factor anymore for you.
Affirmative, we are configured normally now. We'd like to come back and land.
Delta 53, roger. Anyway, the 5 reef gate will be standing by you.
Okay, thank you.
Delta 53, descend 6,000 feet, QNH 1019.
6,000, 1019, Delta 53.
Delta 53, turn right heading 310.
Right 310, Delta 53.
Delta 53.
Delta 53, we're turning right to 310.
Delta 53, that is correct. Just some more information needed for the tower. You will confirm you have 3 greens. Are you going to be normal or an overweight landing?
Affirmative, we have 3 green, all landing gear are down, and we will be overweight for landing.
Roger. Delta 53, descend 5,000 feet.
Descend 5,000, Delta 53.
Delta 53, turn left heading 250.
Left 250, Delta 53.
Delta 53, descend 4,000 feet, the speed is yours.
Descend 4,000, free speed, Delta 53.
Delta 53, turn left heading 230.
Left 230, Delta 53.
Delta 53, turn left heading 170, cleared house approach runway 14, report established.
Left 170, cleared ILS 14, report established, Delta 53. Delta 53 established.
Delta 53, roger, link, contact now tower 1181, bye-bye.
118.1, Delta 53, thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome.
Tower Delta 53, ILS 14.
Hello again, Delta 53 tower.
Hello.
Delta 53, be advised for our procedures, the fire brigade is ready upon landing. Wind 050 degrees 3 knots, runway 14, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 14, Delta 53, copy.
Delta 53, contact apron 121.855.
121.855, Delta 53, good day.
Bye.
Hey, for Delta 53, vacating runway 14 at Juliet.
Delta 53, apron, hello again. Taxi via Juliet. Follow the marshaller. He will guide you to stand Charlie 52.
We'll follow the marshaller to stand 52, Delta 53.
Delta 53, confirm normal operations for now.
Delta 53, affirmative.
Thank you.